Let's go.
3, 2, 1.
No hassle, no nonsense. The SwellPro FD1 is designed for any fisherman and will ensure that your next expedition yields great results. Being in the guiding industry, I need tools that are strong, durable, and reliable. And for this reason, I choose SwellPro drones. The all-new SwellPro FD1 is more simplistic, but does not leave behind any of the key technological advances that their development team and design team has achieved over the last 8 years. The FD1 drone is the strongest SwellPro drone version to date, and is one of the toughest exteriors I have ever encountered. Not only is it fully waterproof, but it handles pretty much anything you throw at it. It is simple to use and gets the job done. Although more affordable, it comes with new and stronger motors and can handle strong winds of up to 60 km per hour and has a payload carrying capacity of 3 kg. The FD1 comes with a bigger battery and boasts a hover time of up to 30 minutes. The FD1 has great GPS lock and boasts with remote telemetry feedback, giving you as a fisherman crucial information such as your battery voltage, your distance you're dropping your bait at, and satellite lock. The FD1 has an auto bait release and return to home function, ensuring that you have a safe flight. The easy to use remote means that you can focus on what's important. With a reliable, stable and responsive flight controller, it adds to an even more user-friendly flying experience. The SwellPro FD1.